Hey guys, how's it going? Today we'll be making something a little bit different. I apologize, my videos might be a little bit slower if you're loading high definition, and they're also not as great quality as you would think in high definition compared to my old Buckyballs videos, compared to my newer ones, because I recently switched over to Mac, MacBook Pro computer, which is awesome, but I'm using the iMovie that comes with the computer itself, and the HD quality rendering and stuff on the iMovie is not nearly as good as the Sony Vegas I was using on my PC. So until I get that figured out, the video quality might be not as good as my other videos, but hopefully I can figure out why. Like I say, something a bit different today. I got these Buckycubes. I have no idea what I'm doing with them. So hopefully there's more people like me who want to get to know these things. Just bear with me, as I'm saying, I am a beginner. So hopefully within the next few days or weeks I will be able to make something more advanced for the more advanced Buckycubes builders. I would also appreciate the odd comment to let me know what I can try to practice and build for the more advanced people, as I don't feel like making cubes all the time. So this video I'll be showing you how to make the simplest way I find for a Buckyballs cube. There's 3 or 4 ways to make it, and you kind of need to make one because nothing else will fit in this case. Like I say, the balls you can just roll up like this and throw her in the case and it's all good, but the cubes don't really want to work like that. So if you have that problem just like I do, there's a couple ways you can make the cube. I'll be doing the quickest, easiest one I find. Normally people will just count out 36 and fold it over 5 or 6 times, or however many it makes, and then go from the cube from this way. But if you're lazy like me, you don't feel like counting 36 a whole bunch, just break apart the 216 cubes into easier to work with smaller strings. Put the left over to the side and start working with 1, and you're just going to count out 6 cubes just like this, and you're just going to fold 6 of them back and forth just like this, over and over. Now watch out, because these cubes are not very sturdy, and they will break on you if you're not careful. So what I recommend is just having a little bit of pressure and working only at the top when you're folding over. So I'm going to hold all these still while I fold it, because otherwise the cubes might pick or magnetize to another cube and they just screw you over. And like I say, this is probably the 3rd or 4th time I attempted to make this video, just because that keeps happening. So once you run out of cubes in one of your easier to work with strings, all you have to do is grab another one and attach it to the end and keep going 6 by 6 all the way up until you completely run out of cubes to work with. And I'm sure everybody watching this video already knows how to make a cube, because it's the first thing. Everybody knows how. It even comes in the instructions. But like I say, I'm just putting this video on for people that do need the help. I'm just getting familiar with these cubes. Thought I would make a video about it. Like I say, I will be making more advanced shapes here, hopefully, if I can figure it out. So don't go ahead and blow off this video right away, because hopefully I will be better with these things in the near future. Okay, so once we got our 36 by 6 string, or whatever the hell you want to call this, it's still pretty flimsy. It wants to break on you, and for some reason they want to come together in sixes. So when I grab over here, it's going to be a 6x6 square. So you're going to grab 6x6, make the mark, fold it over top, and see how I got 6x6. You're just going to keep folding it back and forth until you got your cube made. Thanks for watching. Like I say, comment, rate, subscribe. Let me know something else to build. I will be getting better.